Hey guys, I'm back with another recipe video for you all today. Today we are making a sizzling salmon bite dish. This is one of my favorite dishes to make at home. It's very easy and it tastes so good. So first off, what you want to do is cut your salmon into bite-sized pieces like this. I usually use about 2 pounds of salmon and then cut them into smaller chunks. Just like that. Next up, in a bowl, add some cornstarch, some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Mix everything together really well. And now let's start cooking the fish. In a pan on medium heat, add some oil. And once the oil starts heating up, add your salmon bites right inside. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan, because if there's too much food in here, it will take longer to cook. You can also break down each piece so they don't stick together. While they're frying in the pan, once the bottom side has started turning golden brown, you know it's time to flip them around. While our salmon is getting nice and crispy, let's go ahead and chop up some green onions as well. We need these later on. Now just slice them up however thick or thin you prefer. I personally love mine pretty thin. Back to our salmon, look how beautiful it looks. The color is starting to change from white to pinkish, orange, and when both sides have turned light brown, that means it's almost done. Just keep flipping every few minutes until it reaches your desired crispiness level. At this point, we should be able to see small bubbles forming around the edges of the pan. That means it's ready for seasoning. Add some black pepper, a little bit more salt than before, but please adjust according to taste preference. Then drizzle some honey over top for extra sweetness and flavor. Don't forget sesame seeds either. Those are optional, but highly recommended. Lastly, pour soy sauce directly onto the fish itself, without touching anything else. Let it sit until cooked through completely. Finally, toss in chopped green onions, right before serving hot out of the skillet. Mix everything together gently without breaking apart any large pieces of meat. And there you have it, folks. Our delicious sizzling salmon bites are finally complete. Serve immediately while still warm, with steamed rice alongside, or enjoy plain by themselves. Either way works perfectly fine. Thank you guys again for watching this quick tutorial today. If you enjoyed learning something new, please give me a thumbs up below and follow along for future recipes coming soon.